Mother's Day is coming soon. What a better time of the year to make handmade cards for Mother's Day. Mom will surely love these handmade cards. Check out these easy Mother's Day cards to make this year. Cute Pom-Pom Mother's Day card. For making Pom-Pom Mother's Day cards, you will need some cardstock paper, yellow pom-pom, any size, black Sharpie and orange Sharpie, pencil, glue, and googly eyes. Fold your card in half. Then take your two bigger sized pom-poms and glue them together over here. I'm promising you that this is going to be the cutest craft you'll ever make. Now, let's make the beaks. Just make one small triangle, then color it in. Let's make some smaller beaks. Now, let's add the legs. Now, let's start making eyes. Get your glue again. And for the big one, we're gonna make eyes. Just put some glue on the eyeball. I found these more yellow pom-poms. I want to make them just like Mama Chick. Let's make eyes for Little Chick. So how do you like this cutest card ever? You can write a message inside and give it to your mom. We're making another cute pom-pom craft. For this you will need one black pom-pom, one large white pom-pom, two small white pom-pom, any color cardstock paper, pencil, Sharpie, and glue. So glue one white pom-pom right here, then one black right here, two white over here. Next step, just take a pencil and follow my steps. Don't these look super cute? They're really easy to make. Try these cards and they'll be just right for your mommy. Wouldn't your mother just love a handful of flowers? Well, today, that's what we're going to make. So you'll need 1 craft paper, any color, 1 tan color, some green color, cupcake liner, pencil, and scissors and glue. Trace your hand on your tan color paper. Take your cutout and glue it on your cardstock paper. So I already cut these green strips from green paper. So now I'm going to use them as stems. Your cupcake liners and glue it where the flowers are supposed to be. Now let's fold the fingers. Put 1 dot of glue and turn it across. Put a small dot and bend it over. Super Mom card. Supplies we will need are bar, skin tone craft paper, 3 different colored craft papers, scissors, pencil, Sharpie, and tape. Fold your craft paper in half, and now let's make a face for Supermom. Start by taking your skin color craft paper and cut it into a circle. Then cut out a hair shape from black craft paper. You can make small hair or long hair, whatever you want. Now glue this on the top of the circle to make a face for your Supermom. Let's make a cape. For this you will need another craft paper. Cut it out and fold it on the top and stick it with the tape on the bar. Now let's make a mask for your Supermom. Let's make a smiley face. take another tape donut, add it to here, and stick your face. Put some tape on the back and stick it on the card. Write a message and give it to your super mom. Who is there flying in the sky? One more sweet and simple card idea. So for this you'll need cardstock paper, any color, some heart-shaped cutouts, string and some ribbon, glue, and scissors. Fold this cardstock paper in half. Cut some pieces out from string, then glue it like how I'm gluing it. So take one string, now we're going to glue these hearts. Just a small dot glue right there. We made this out of ribbon, now we just need to glue it there. And ta-da! Our card is ready! Hope you like these ideas. Happy Mother's Day! Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends!